Okay, in this course, we are going to use Qfield to do a field data collection to measure the forest health in the birthplace of Guatemala's largest river. We are going to use Qgis to make all the configuration. This is the Motagua River that you can see it is the longest river in Guatemala. We are going to focus on this region where it is the birthplace of the river in Santa Cruz el Quiche. And we are defining the area of interest here, Chichicastenango and Santa Cruz el Quiche. So the first topic of our course is to define the area of interest delimitation in the western highlands of Guatemala. So here we already defined this area of interest here, and we are going to focus and to take the data from this region, okay? So the next topic will be how we are going to download the area of interest with Qgis raster tools to make them to make the map available offline, because much of these areas they don't have internet coverage. Okay, so we are going to download this region, and then we are not going to have the need of using OpenStreetMap or any other map. Okay, so this is the area of interest downloaded already in Qgis. Okay, so we have already the map on this. Okay, so we are going to create the vector layer of points data capture with these fields and data type. Okay, so this will be the fields that we are going to define. It is the ID, the region with string data type, species, tree width, temperature, nodes, and picture. Okay, this is the attributes form. Okay, so we are going to see that, for example, for region, we have region that will be displayed on our application as a select combo box. Okay, so we have the node as a text edit, and we are going to be able to take a picture from an attachment, selecting the existing file, and we are going to be able to take the picture from the phone. Okay, the next topic will be how we are going to download the Qfield plugin in Qgis and configure the import and export directories. So we already have downloaded the application here. We have the plugins, we have the Qfield sync, and here in preferences, we are going to see that are the data packaging import directory, where we are going to import the data that we collect from the Android phone, and the export directory where we are going to put our project of Qgis to export this data to the mobile phone. Okay, so these are the import and export directories. Here we have our project that will be exported to the Android phone, and when we have the data, we are going to import this data again back to the Qgis from the mobile phone. Okay, so then we are going to capture the data from the mobile phone. Okay, we are going to take the field data from the Qfield. So here we have the application running in our mobile phone. We are going to run this. We open our application, and there we see that we have the region of interest that we already defined. And here we have the input data that we are going to import. Okay, so we have the region, species, for example, species 04, the tree width, example 45, the temperature is very important, this information to see the health of our forest. Okay, thanks. And then we are going to be able to take a picture. Okay, here we open here, and we see that we are able to take a picture. Okay, we are going to take a picture as an example here. Okay, and then we just save the data, and the changes were saved. Back to our Qfield, our Qgis, we are going to import the data. We just make the import, copying the information that we already use to the import directory, and then we use Qfield here in plugins, Qfield sync, and then we synchronize from Qfield. Okay, so once we synchronize from Qfield, we will be able to see the data that we already captured here. We have this information like species, like where are the points of species 1 and species 3. Okay, and here we will be able to open the attribute table where we have already the information. We have what region it is, the species, the tree width, the temperature, the nodes, and the images that we took. Okay, so this is how we are going to explain this course, and the final point of the course is what I already showed you, how to display this information. Okay, so then we are ready to take the course, and if you have any questions, you can send me an email. Thank you very much.